The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G comes with two versions, global version and Indian version. We will see the comparison between these versions. Operating system of both the version is Android 14 with HyperOS and up to 3 major Android upgrades. Build and design of both the version is glass front with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, plastic or Eco leather back, aluminum frame, IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. Display of both the version is 6.67-inch AMOLED display, 68 billion colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus, Dolby Vision, peak brightness 3000 nits, resolution is 1220 into 2712 pixels. Processor of both the version is MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra, octa-core and Mali G615 MC2 GPU. RAM and storage of global version is 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage, no micro SD card slot. RAM and storage of Indian version is 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, 128 GB or 256 GB or 512 GB of internal storage, no micro SD card slot. Rear cameras of global version is 200 MB main camera, 8 MB ultra wide camera, 2 MB macro camera. Video recording up to 4K with gyro EAS and OAS. Rear cameras of Indian version is 50 MB main camera, 8 MB ultra wide camera, 2 MB macro camera, video recording up to 4K with gyro EAS and OAS. Front cameras of both the version is 20 MB and video recording up to 1080 pixel. Audio of both the version is stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, no 3.5 mm headphone jack and high resolution wireless audio. Connectivity supported by both the version is dual SIM, supports 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi, NFC, infrared port, USB Type-C 2.0 and OTG. Battery of global version is 5110 mAh and 45 watt wired charging. Battery of Indian version is 5500 mAh and 45 watt wired charging. Dimensions of both the version is 162.3 into 74.4 into 8.4 mm. Weight of both the version is 190 grams. Price of global version is approximately $309. Price of Indian version is approximately 24,250 rupees.